Hi guys! Welcome to another tutorial video. For today, I will teach you how to cash in from your GCASH app using GSAVE to your CIMB Bank PH UPSAVE account. So guys, makakapag-transfer lang tayo if meron kayong GSAVE sa GCASH app ninyo at nakapag-register kayo doon. If wala pa guys, try nyo mag-create and then mag-deposit para meron kayong GSAVE and then easy na lang makapag-transfer sa UPSAVE account ninyo sa CIMB. So, let's assume guys na meron kayong GSAVE sa inyong GCash. So, let's start the tutorial. Number 1 guys, pindutin nyo lang yung may piggy bank, yun yung save money. And then guys, click deposit. So, makakapag-deposit lang kayo if meron laman yung GCash ninyo. Third guys, you need to enter the amount. Ayan, yung pinili ko is 50 pesos lang muna. And then, you need to confirm. After that, mapupunta na siya sa GSAVE deposit ninyo. So, i-check natin sa CIMB app. By the way guys, CIMB offers 3 accounts. Number 1 is GSAVE sa GCash ninyo, and then UPSAVE sa CIMB app mismo, and then yung isa sa FAST Plus account na may debit card sa CIMB din siya. So how to transfer money from GSAVE to UPSAVE account or FAST Plus account? Okay guys, sa pinakababa ng homepage, makikita niyo yung $sign, yun yung transaction, and then makikita niyo yung transfer doon na pangatlo siya. I-click niyo yung transfer. Yung pangalawa guys, i-click niyo lang yung to my own CIMB account. And then, i-fill in niyo lang to from GSAVE Plus account to UPSAVE Plus account, and then i-enter niyo yung amount kung magkano yung ita-transfer ninyo. And then, description is optional. Kayo nang bahala dyan kung ano yung ilalagay ninyo. After checking, guys, i-continue nyo na, i-next nyo na, and then there you go. Check, check, check. Confirm. Okay na. Transfer successful, as easy as that. Tingnan nyo, nag-reflect na agad sa UPSAVE account ko yung 50 pesos. So, tingnan natin yung transaction history. Ayan, nabawas sa 50 pesos GCash na punta sa UPSAVE. So, ayun guys, in a minute lang magre-reflect and mapapadalan kayo ng text as easy as like that. For more tutorial videos guys, visit lang kayo sa channel ko and then mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Thanks for watching! Bye!